Welcome to Calm Mind and Healthy Body, our channel. In today's video, we're diving into the world of 20 incredible herbs that can enhance your sleep and promote healing. Growing herbs at home not only provides you with fresh ingredients, but also offers a natural approach to wellness. With the increasing importance of natural remedies, these herbs can help you achieve better sleep and overall health without relying on pharmaceuticals. Plus, cultivating these herbs is easier than you might think. Join us as we explore how simple it is to create your herbal sanctuary right in your backyard or kitchen. Before we dive deep into the main subject, if you enjoy our content, we'd appreciate it if you could subscribe and hit the notification bell. Hence, you'll be updated on health tips, recipes, and wellness inspiration. Check out our related content for more health tips. Your engagement enables us to continue providing valuable information and tips for a healthier life. I appreciate your support. Lavender. Lavender is renowned for its calming properties, making it a powerful ally in reducing anxiety and improving sleep quality. The soothing aroma of lavender can help create a peaceful environment, promoting relaxation and restful sleep before bedtime. Growing lavender at home is simple. It thrives in well-drained soil and plenty of sunlight. Once harvested, you can use lavender in various ways, such as brewing it into calming teas or creating sachets to place under your pillow. Incorporating lavender into your nightly routine can transform your sleep experience and enhance your overall well-being. Lemon balm. Lemon balm is renowned for its soothing properties, making it an excellent herb for alleviating stress and promoting relaxation. Its gentle aroma and flavor can help ease anxiety, making it easier to unwind at the end of the day. Growing lemon balm is a breeze. It thrives in pots or gardens with plenty of sunlight and well-drained soil. To enhance relaxation, try brewing a simple lemon balm tea by steeping fresh leaves in hot water for about 10 minutes. This delightful tea can be a perfect addition to your bedtime routine for a restful night's sleep. Chamomile. Chamomile is well known for its sleep-inducing properties, making it a popular choice for those struggling with insomnia and digestive issues. Its calming effects can help relax the mind and body, paving the way for a restful night. Cultivating chamomile at home is easy. Plant the seeds in well-drained soil and ensure they receive plenty of sunlight. To prepare chamomile tea for bedtime, steep dried flowers in hot water for about 5 to 10 minutes. Adding a touch of honey can enhance the flavor, making it a soothing ritual to wind down before sleep. Valerian. Valerian root is a powerful natural sleep aid recognized for its ability to enhance sleep quality and alleviate anxiety. By promoting relaxation, valerian can help you fall asleep more quickly and enjoy a deeper, more restful sleep. Growing valerian in your home garden is straightforward. It prefers moist, well-drained soil and partial shade, making it a great addition to any herbal garden. To prepare valerian tea, steep the dried root in hot water for about 10 to 15 minutes. Alternatively, you can create tinctures by soaking the root in alcohol, providing a concentrated option for relaxation before bedtime. Echinacea. Echinacea is widely recognized for its immune-boosting properties, making it a valuable ally in preventing colds and infections. By stimulating the immune system, echinacea can help your body fend off illness more effectively. Growing echinacea is versatile. It thrives in various climates, preferring well-drained soil and full sun. Whether you live in a warm or cooler region, this hardy plant can adapt. To harness its healing benefits, you can incorporate echinacea into herbal remedies, such as teas, tinctures, or capsules, offering a natural way to support your health and well-being throughout the year. Calendula. Calendula is renowned for its remarkable healing properties, particularly in promoting skin health and well-being. This vibrant flower can aid in wound healing and soothe skin irritation, making it a staple in natural remedies. Growing calendula is easy. It thrives in well-drained soil and full sun, whether in gardens or pots. To use calendula for healing, you can create soothing salves by infusing the flowers in oils or incorporate them into herbal teas for added health benefits. With its versatility and effectiveness, calendula is an excellent addition to your home herbal apothecary. Sage. Sage is a powerful herb known for its benefits in promoting sleep and supporting digestive health. It can help improve digestion by alleviating bloating and discomfort while also reducing stress, making it easier to unwind. Growing sage at home is simple. It prefers well-drained soil and plenty of sunlight, thriving in both gardens and pots. To enjoy its calming effects, try brewing sage tea by steeping fresh or dried leaves in hot water for about 5 to 10 minutes. Additionally, sage can enhance culinary dishes, adding flavor while providing health benefits to your meals. Peppermint. Peppermint is renowned for its refreshing properties, making it an excellent herb for relaxation and overall well-being. It can aid digestion by soothing the stomach and relieving discomfort, while its invigorating scent is effective in alleviating headaches. Growing peppermint is easy. It thrives in containers or gardens, preferring moist soil and partial shade. To enjoy its benefits, you can brew peppermint tea by steeping fresh leaves in hot water, or use essential oil in aromatherapy to create a calming atmosphere. Incorporating peppermint into your routine can enhance relaxation and promote a sense of clarity. Rosemary. Rosemary is not only a flavorful herb, but also offers impressive cognitive benefits, enhancing memory and concentration. Its aromatic compounds can stimulate brain function, making it a great addition to your study or work environment. Cultivating rosemary at home is straightforward. It thrives in well-drained soil and requires ample sunlight, making it ideal for gardens or pots. In the kitchen, rosemary can elevate dishes with its robust flavor, while also being used in herbal remedies, such as teas or infused oils, to support overall health and well-being. Passion flower. Passion flower is renowned for its calming effects, making it an effective natural remedy for anxiety and sleep disturbances. It can help alleviate insomnia and provide stress relief, promoting a sense of tranquility. Growing passion flower vines is a rewarding endeavor. They thrive in well-drained soil and require plenty of sunlight and support for climbing. To enjoy its benefits, you can prepare passion flower tea by steeping the dried leaves and flowers in hot water for about 10 minutes. Alternatively, tinctures can be made by soaking the plant in alcohol, offering a concentrated option for relaxation before bedtime. Ashwagandha. Ashwagandha is a powerful adaptogen known for its ability to help manage stress and balance cortisol levels in the body. By reducing stress hormones, it promotes a sense of calm and well-being. Growing ashwagandha at home is feasible, as it prefers well-drained soil and ample sunlight, thriving in warm climates. To prepare ashwagandha for supplementation, you can use the dried root to make powders, capsules, or teas. Additionally, tinctures can be created by soaking the root in alcohol, providing a concentrated form that can easily be incorporated into your daily wellness routine. Thyme. Thyme is a remarkable herb known for its medicinal properties, particularly in supporting respiratory health. It can help alleviate coughs and colds by acting as an expectorant, making it easier to clear mucus from the airways. Growing thyme is simple. It thrives in well-drained soil and requires plenty of sunlight, making it suitable for both gardens and pots. In the kitchen, thyme adds flavor to a variety of dishes. At the same time, it can also be used in herbal remedies, such as teas or syrups, to soothe respiratory issues and promote overall wellness. Yarrow. Yarrow is a powerful herb known for its healing properties, particularly in treating wounds and reducing inflammation. It can aid in healing cuts and bruises by promoting blood flow and acting as an antiseptic. Cultivating yarrow in your home garden is easy. It thrives in well-drained soil and prefers full sun, making it a hardy addition to any herbal patch. To use yarrow in herbal preparations, you can create poultices from fresh leaves to apply directly to wounds, or brew yarrow tea to harness its anti-inflammatory benefits, supporting overall health and recovery. Basil. Basil is a versatile herb celebrated for its culinary and medicinal benefits, particularly in promoting overall health. It can aid digestion and reduce inflammation, making it a valuable addition to your diet. Growing basil is simple. It thrives in well-drained soil and can be cultivated both indoors and outdoors, requiring plenty of sunlight. To enjoy its benefits, try making basil-infused tea by steeping fresh leaves in hot water, or incorporating basil into dishes like pasta, salads, and pesto. This fragrant herb not only enhances flavor, but also supports your well-being in delicious ways. Oregano. Oregano is a powerful herb renowned for its antimicrobial properties, making it an excellent ally in supporting the immune system. Its active compounds can help fight off infections and promote overall health. Growing oregano is easy. It thrives in various environments, preferring well-drained soil and full sun, whether in gardens or pots. In the kitchen, oregano lends a robust flavor to dishes such as pasta, pizza, and marinades. Additionally, you can use oregano in herbal remedies, such as teas or essential oils, to harness its health benefits and enhance your wellness routine. Ginger. Ginger is a remarkable root known for its digestive and anti-inflammatory benefits. It can effectively alleviate nausea and improve digestion, making it a go-to remedy for upset stomachs. Growing ginger is straightforward. It thrives in containers or gardens with well-drained soil and partial shade, making it suitable for a wide range of environments. To enjoy its benefits, you can use ginger in teas by steeping fresh slices in hot water or incorporate it into cooking by adding it to stir-fries, soups, and marinades. This versatile ingredient not only enhances flavor, but also supports your digestive health. Hops. Hops are well known for their calming effects, making them an excellent natural remedy for improved sleep. They can help alleviate insomnia and reduce anxiety, promoting relaxation and a restful night. Growing hops at home is a rewarding endeavor. They thrive in well-drained soil and require plenty of sunlight and support for climbing. To enjoy the benefits of hops, you can brew herbal teas by steeping dried hop flowers in hot water, or incorporate them into sleep remedies like tinctures. This versatile herb can be a soothing addition to your nighttime routine, helping to improve sleep quality. Holy basil. Holy basil, also known as tulsi, is a powerful adaptogen that helps balance stress hormones and promotes overall well-being. Reducing cortisol levels helps alleviate stress and improves mental clarity. Cultivating holy basil in your home garden is easy. It thrives in well-drained soil and requires ample sunlight, making it suitable for both pots and garden beds. To enjoy its benefits, prepare holy basil tea by steeping fresh or dried leaves in hot water for about 10 minutes. This soothing tea can be a delightful addition to your daily routine for stress management. Plantain. Plantain is a versatile herb recognized for its healing properties, particularly in supporting skin and respiratory health. It can aid in wound healing by promoting tissue regeneration and reducing inflammation, while also providing relief from coughs by soothing the throat. Growing plantain is straightforward. It thrives in various environments, including gardens and lawns, and prefers well-drained soil with partial shade. To utilize plantain in herbal remedies, you can create poultices from fresh leaves to apply to wounds, or brew plantain tea to help alleviate coughs and support respiratory health, making it a valuable addition to your herbal toolkit. Milky oats. Milky oats are a nourishing herb known for their ability to support the nervous system, making them an excellent remedy for stress and anxiety. Rich in vitamins and minerals, they help calm the mind and promote emotional balance. Growing milky oats at home is simple. They thrive in well-drained soil and prefer full sun, making them suitable for gardens or larger containers. To prepare milky oats in herbal infusions, steep the fresh or dried milky oat tops in hot water for about 10 to 15 minutes. This soothing infusion can be a comforting addition to your self-care routine. In this video, we explored the incredible benefits of various herbs for sleep and healing, highlighting their roles in promoting relaxation, reducing stress, and supporting overall health. Growing these herbs at home not only enhances your garden, but also provides you with natural remedies at your fingertips. We encourage you to experiment with these herbs in your gardens and discover their unique properties. If you enjoyed this content, please subscribe, like, and share the video to stay updated on more herbal insights and wellness tips. Thank you for watching.